All Parties Hurriyat Conference has stated that more than 1 million Indian Forces personnel deployed in occupied Kashmir have made the lives of the Kashmiri people a living hell for demanding their UN recognized right to self-determination. In a statement issued in Srinagar, APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas said that India has adopted the same policy in Kashmir that Israel follows in Palestine to expel the Kashmiris from their own homeland. Indian Forces personnel launched cordon and search operations and house raids in Srinagar city. The operations launched by the Indian paramilitary and the police personnel along with the operatives of the notorious National Investigation Agency target several areas including Batamalu and Zanakot HMT. The forces conducted searches in the houses of Ubais Riazdar and Sahil Ahmed Butt. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and the President of Jammu and Kashmir Anjuman-e-Sharia Shian Agha Syed Hassan Al-Musfi Al-Safwi has expressed deep concern over the recent claims on the mosques and the dargahs being built on the Hindu temples in the various courts across India. Agha Hassan, while addressing a gathering in the Budgam, stated that these claims undermine the law and the constitution. Agha Syed Ruhullah Mehdi, senior leader of the National Conference and the Indian parliamentarian, has raised serious concerns over the repeated disruption of the civilian traffic on the Srinagar-Jammu highway, particularly the halting of the ambulances and the essential vehicles during the movement of the Indian military convoys. In a strong statement made in the Indian Parliament, Mehdi criticized the Indian government's response to the issue. Democratic Freedom Party led by the incarcerated senior Hurriyat leader Shabir Ahmad Shah has strongly condemned the recent arrest spree of the Kashmiri youths by the Indian forces in occupied Kashmir, turning it a part of the government's policy to stifle every form of dissent in the territory.